Tired of strangers snooping through your Facebook profile? Let's lock it down in seconds, no matter where you are. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. This works on both Android and iPhone, so don't worry about compatibility. Next, tap on the 3 horizontal lines, usually located in the top right corner for Android or the bottom right corner for iPhone. This opens your menu. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy, then tap on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with more options. From the drop-down, tap on Settings. This takes you to your Facebook settings page, where you can customize everything. Now, look for Profile Locking. If you see it, tap on it. If you don't see it, tap on Privacy Shortcuts. It is available in most countries now, but this ensures you can find it. If you went to Profile Locking, you'll see a brief explanation of what it does. Just tap on the blue Lock Your Profile button. Facebook will confirm the change. If you chose Privacy Shortcuts, select See More Privacy Settings. Then, adjust who can see your future posts, limit the audience for past posts, and review tags you're tagged in. These options combined give you a level of locking similar to the dedicated feature. That's it, your profile is now locked. Only your friends will be able to see your full profile, posts, and stories. Strangers will only see a limited view. Stay safe out there.